Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, today we're diving into something special. We're showcasing 20 essential Wolfcraft woodworking tools every pro needs to boost precision, efficiency and creativity. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or starting fresh, these tools will take your craftsmanship to the next level. Let's get started. Screw Starter. The Wolfcraft. Screw Starter is a smart 2-in-1 tool that combines drilling and countersinking in one smooth operation, saving time and improving precision. Its adjustable depth stop allows consistent screw placement, making it perfect for repetitive tasks. The non-rotating sleeve protects surfaces from damage, while the 3-edged 45-degree countersink delivers clean, splinter-free finishes. With a 1/4 inch hex shank, it fits most drills easily, ensuring quick bit changes and efficient workflow for woodworking and DIY projects. Handheld Sander. The Wolfcraft. Handheld sander range is designed to handle everything from large drywall surfaces to precise corner sanding. Built with ergonomic soft grip handles, these tools reduce fatigue during long projects. Models like the 405-6000 excel on plasterboard and can attach to telescopic handles, while the 589-4000 offers fast sanding with hook and loop discs. For versatile DIY work, the 589-0000 provides excellent control, and the compact corner sander ensures smooth results in tight, hard-to-reach areas. Vinyl and Laminate Cutter. The Wolfcraft VLC 1000 Vinyl and Laminate Cutter is a powerful professional-grade tool built for demanding flooring projects. It easily cuts laminate, vinyl and design flooring, up to 14mm thick and 370mm wide. With triple power transmission, it delivers effortless cutting, while the coated blade ensures clean, splinter-free results. Its adjustable cutting gap and multi-angle capability provide precision and flexibility. Quiet, dust-free operation makes it perfect for on-site use without mess or noise. Universal Drill Clamp. The Wolfcraft. Universal Drill Clamp transforms your handheld drill into a stable, hands-free workstation. Designed for drills, milling, and grinding motors, it allows precise sanding, polishing, and grinding tasks. The PRO model features durable die-cast aluminium with 360 degrees rotation and 90 degrees tilt, while the solid version uses lightweight reinforced plastic with fixed angles. Both support a 43mm Euronorm collar and clamp securely to worktops up to 60mm thick, making them versatile workshop essentials. Deck Flooring Drilling Set. The Wolfcraft. Deck Flooring Drilling Set is a precision system designed to create perfectly aligned screw patterns for wooden decking. It features a durable drilling guide with hardened steel bushes, a 2-in-1 screw starter with countersink, and an adjustable depth stop for consistent results. Available in 3-piece and 11-piece sets, it also includes spacers and a clamp for accurate board alignment, making deck installation faster, cleaner, and more professional. Dowel Master. The Wolfcraft Dowel Master is a versatile doweling jig designed for fast, accurate wood joinery without complex measurements. Ideal for both beginners and experienced DIY ears, it creates precise edge-to-edge, corner and T-butt joints. Its 3-in-1 drill guide supports 6, 8 and 10mm dowels, while self-centering bolts ensure perfect alignment. Built from durable, impact-resistant materials, it features ergonomic handling and tool-free adjustment, making furniture building, repairs, and workshop projects easier, faster, and highly accurate. Precision spring clamps. The Wolfcraft. Precision spring clamps are engineered for delicate and high accuracy tasks such as model building, electronics, and fine DIY work. Featuring slim, pointed jaws, they deliver targeted pressure in tight or hard to reach areas. Models like the PRO 70 and Microtip 60 offer strong grip with soft, non-marring pads for surface protection. Built from durable fiberglass reinforced plastic, these clamps ensure reliability, while their ergonomic one-handed design allows easy, precise positioning during intricate projects. Jigsaw blades. The Wolfcraft Jigsaw blades range is designed for versatility, precision, and compatibility across various cutting tasks. Available in T-shank and U-shank types, they fit both modern and older jigsaws. These blades come in HCS, HSS, and BIM materials, making them suitable for wood, metal, and mixed materials. From clean laminate cuts to curved shapes and metal slicing, Wolfcraft also offers convenient project sets, ensuring users always have the right blade for every woodworking or DIY job. Universal angle and tri-square. The Wolfcraft. Universal angle and tri-square is a highly versatile, multifunction measuring and marking tool built from durable alloy steel for accuracy and longevity. Available in 300mm, 5205,000, and 500mm, 5206,000 versions. It combines essential functions for DIY and woodworking tasks. It works as a 90-degree tri-square, flat square, angle measuring tool with a 45-degree stop, parallel marker, and scribing guide. Integrated templates support the 32mm grid system and concealed hinge layout. It also functions as a compass for drawing curves and as a stable jigsaw guide. Dual-sided scales and a removable stop ensure precise, reliable work. Sanding block. The Wolfcraft. Sanding block range offers reliable options for a variety of sanding tasks, from general-purpose surface work to shaping contoured areas. The manual sanding block with pliers, PID 2891, uses a sturdy clamping mechanism to hold standard sandpaper securely, providing even pressure for flat surfaces. The foam rubber sanding block, PID 2894, features flexible, water-resistant foam with silicon carbide grit on all sides, making it ideal for both wet and dry sanding on curved or detailed surfaces. The cork sanding block, PID 2896, delivers a lightweight, eco-friendly solution with a natural non-slip grip for simple, traditional sanding. Plasterboard Cutter. The Wolfcraft Plasterboard Cutter, 4014000, is a precision tool designed to score, snap, and cut plasterboard in one smooth pass, delivering clean, straight edges with minimal effort. Its aluminum guide rail offers a 900mm cutting length, extendable to 1900mm with an optional rail. The front blade scores the board, which is then snapped and finished by the hooked blade as the carriage returns. Weighing 730 grams, it features ergonomic handling and uses standard trapezium and hook blades, Highly efficient for single-person use, it saves time, though some users note pressure requirements and concerns about long-term durability. Furniture Dolly. Wolfcraft's FT 300 and FT 350. The furniture dollies are highly versatile, durable moving solutions made from strong birch plywood with smooth rolling 75mm swivel casters. The FT 350B offers 5-in-1 functionality, transforming into compact, split, V-shape, flat trolley and panel cart modes, making it ideal for appliances, longboards and bulky household items. It includes an ergonomic handle, stoppers and supports up to 300 kilograms. The FT300 provides 3-in-1 versatility, compact, split and V-shape modes, handling up to 250 kilograms. Both models are praised for their stability, adaptability and ease of maneuvering during home or workshop moving tasks. Hand stapler. The Wolfcraft Tachocraft. Hand stapler series offers reliable ergonomic tools for household, hobby and DIY projects. The lightweight Tachocraft P10 is ideal for light-duty tasks, while the P14 Plus adds support for nails, adjustable impact force and a safety lock. For heavier workloads, the metal-bodied M10 delivers excellent stability and the M14 Plus handles longer staples and nails with an additional impact regulator for precise control. The Tachocraft 6 and 7 sets provide versatile options and include 1000 Type 05 3 staples, making them great all-in-one solutions for beginners and frequent users alike. Angular Bevel Gauge. The Wolfcraft. Angular Bevel Gauge is a precision woodworking tool designed to measure inside and outside angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees and automatically provide the correct miter cut angle. Its automatic angle bisector streamlines setup on a miter saw, while integrated magnets allow quick, secure angle transfer. A one-handed eccentric lever locks measurements easily, even in tight spaces. Some models, like the 695-8000, include a marking gauge for drawing parallel lines. Built from durable plastic with aluminum components, the gauge is available in multiple versions, including models 695-7000, 695-8000, and 69,210,000 across major hardware retailers. Diamond cutting disc. Wolfcraft's diamond cutting discs offer reliable, high-performance cutting solutions for a wide range of materials. The Pro Multi-Disc is ideal for renovation jobs, handling stone, wood, plastic, and light metals without requiring frequent blade changes. For demanding masonry work, the Expert Universal Disc delivers long-lasting durability with its laser-welded segments, excelling on concrete, granite, and natural stone. The Pro Ceramic Turbo Disc provides ultra-clean, chip-free cuts in tiles and fine stoneware thanks to its thin, closed-edge design. For budget users, the standard project set offers versatile, affordable discs for common DIY tasks. Japanese saw. The Wolfcraft. Japanese saw is a versatile Ryoba-style pull saw designed for clean, precise cutting in woodworking and DIY tasks. Featuring a thin, flexible high-carbon steel blade, it cuts on the pull stroke for better control and reduced effort. Available in 240mm, 6,951,000, and 330mm, $955,000. Lengths. It includes a long ergonomic 2-component handle that can be disassembled for compact storage. Its double-edged design offers 2 cutting options: a fine 17 TPI side for smooth crosscuts in trim, laminate, and plastic pipes, and a coarse 8 TPI side for fast rip cuts through beams, joists, and branches. Wood Renovation Kit. The Wolfcraft. Wood Renovation Kit is a versatile 7-piece set designed for restoring both indoor and outdoor wooden surfaces. Perfect for furniture, window frames, and railings, it handles cleaning, sanding, and finishing with ease. 2 versions are available: indoor, Model 5643000, and outdoor, Model 5642000, tailored to project needs. The kit includes tools for large surfaces, corners, and intricate areas, featuring easy fix or Velcro systems for quick sandpaper changes. From rough sanding with flat wheel mops to fine finishing with steel wool or burnishing pads, this all-in-one kit ensures professional quality results on any wooden surface. T-Square Parallel Cutter. The Wolfcraft T-Square Parallel Cutter 4008000 is a precision tool designed for accurate cutting and marking of gypsum plasterboard. Its adjustable T-square with a 0 to 180 degree scale ensures exact angular and parallel cuts, reducing extra filling and sanding. The integrated parallel cutter, featuring a high-performance trapezium blade, allows multiple guided cuts in one pass. Made from durable anodized aluminum, it resists corrosion and withstands repeated use. Ideal for both DIYers and professionals, the 3-step cutting process, score, snap, and cut, simplifies drywall work. MG600 Caulking Gun. The Wolfcraft MG600 PRO Caulking Gun Model 4 356000 is a professional-grade manual tool built for heavy-duty use and high-viscosity materials. It delivers an impressive pushing pressure of up to 280 kilograms, making it perfect for thick adhesives, bitumen, and construction sealants. Designed with durability in mind, it features a mix of hardened steel, fiber-reinforced plastic, and a robust feed mechanism for long-lasting performance. The ergonomic handle ensures fatigue-free operation, while the drip stop function prevents overflow. Compatible with standard 310ml cartridges. The MG600 PRO comes with a 10-year warranty, making it ideal for professionals and serious DIYers alike.